Noneda leiba headquarter company 19 Assam Rifles ki miyoi amada tharakpa acha atha ki polam singi manungda popi maru yauramlei Imphal gi head post office tharakpa polam singadu office asigi sab singna mari leinaba mapu singda deliver taunabaki khando khanjin tawbada popi maru singadu thengnarakpani hairi popi maru adu acha pot yauba kg 10 gi box amada packing tawduna hablakpani Impact News na fangba pauda kg 10 gi box adu Jammu and Kashmir gi Bandipora dagi Arif Hussain kauba miyoi amana Noneda leiriba headquarter company 19 Assam Rifles leiba Ritu Kumari kauba miyoi amada address tawduna tharakpani Popi maru yauba polam sing adugi consignment number na CQ 3289049761 N ni adubu ningthina packing tawdabadagi box adugi sarukharada popi maru yauba urakpadagi post office ki sab singna Imphal police station da pau pikhi pau adu fangbadagi nap ki OC S Ibomcha mafam aduda lagtuna Imphal police station gi OC Ingocha amadi post office ki postmaster ga loinana yengsinki tungda Imphal West ki district magistrate lagtuna kopna yengsilaba tungda kg 10 gi box adu hangdoktuna yenglobada kaju kismis almond cashewnut na chingba chanaba polam sing yauramki loinana box adugi makha ithang thangbada Wild Roots Company gi coastal berry gi packet amada popi gram chamapan ga kuntra yauramba thengnakhibani adubo popi maru asi NDPS eki manung chandabana kanagumbana chanaba chinjak oina tharakpra natraga karamba hiramda sizinagadauribano haibagi wahang hangningai oiri hauji fawbagi oinadi acha thaki marakta karamna popi maru yaurakpano haiba chapjana khangba ngamdabana makhata na thizinaba mari lenaba singda khangankhre hairi
Today 9/10/2023 at around 11:45 AM we received an information that one parcel containing suspected illegal items hooked through post office or head office, and on checking it we found one packet suspected to contain poppy seeds and other items. So we do the needful according to the law. After opening the parcels, we found dry foods in this poppy seed packet, only one packet, and then on weighing it was 930 grams, and then it is open in front of executive magistrate.